Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Um, and here's Sunny. Watch what he does when I do this. He did a funnier reaction earlier. He's funny. He likes my Mountain Dew. That's my stack of Mountain Dew. I have Diet Mountain Dew too because I don't always drink like regular. I got all of his toys out. I got a whole bag of toys just in case he loses one. Oh, here's the gold ball. He likes biting out my Mountain Dew though, right now. I got him on a leash because he likes to go underneath stuff and it's hard to get him. So if he goes under, I can just grab his leash. So I'm not even hanging on to it. He didn't even do nothing. I thought he would. See, watch, hold on. He ain't gonna go under there right now, but he will. He's funny. You can play with him, and he'll be happy even if you don't. You can just lay the toys on the ground and he'll just play with them. He's funny, but I was playing with him earlier before I picked the camera up. Alright, see what I mean? Come here. Come here. Don't want you go underneath all that over there. Come on, baby. Oh, he don't like that. He's like, no. Come on, baby. I don't want you to go underneath all that over there. We cleaned, we moved like all the furniture around today, and well, Jay done her room by herself, and then she helped me do this room. We only moved half the furniture in this one because that's like too heavy to move. The big long dresser. We got that new nightstand right there today, and another nightstand in Joey's room, and we moved the bed, we moved the pewter desk, and swept a mop under all of it. We moved all that stuff that was sitting there and put the cat stuff there. We put the stuff in um the closet. There was a bunch of boxes that was sitting there. There's my new computer chair. Jay got a new computer chair too. He's just playing away. He's funny. You funny boy. You playing? You funny boy. You just a playing. We put out his it's like it can be a bed if you push it down, or it can be a hole that he goes in and lays in like a little house, and it has a little ball on it to play with. We had that out, and we had the litter box out because his brother was here yesterday, and they was play fighting so bad that they was biting each other and hurting each other. They was playing. It was so funny. And then when they started crying, it wasn't so funny because I didn't want them hurting each other. So I had to take the brother out and put him in that little house, and he stayed in that little house right there until his new owner came and got him. We had to find Jackson a home. That's his name, Jackson, because the other owner wasn't taking care of him good. Sonny, what are you doing? Come over here. Come over here, Goofy. Come play over here so they can see you. You can't take it behind me, you silly goose. He ain't even doing it now. Before I got the camera out, I was making noises. He was jumping. He ain't even jumping. He's worried about playing with the thing. I cut those up in small pieces when I throw them away because like other animals can get stuck in them. But I'm watching him. He ain't gonna get stuck in it. But other animals get stuck in that when people throw it away. They were showing like ducks and stuff, and other kind of animals get stuck in those. He's just a flying away. He's trying to run. He's trying to run and hide, and then I won't be able to get him. He's already gotten a little bit bigger since we got him. If y'all watch the other videos, he looks a little bit smaller. We let him run around the house too, like, well, mainly my room and stuff, because I don't want people to he's so little that I don't want no one to step on him and stuff like that. So we'll shut the door and let him run around. And then he goes in the cage at night, and he's running. He's being funny. Come here, Sonny. Come on. Where'd you go? I think he's behind me. Sonny. Come on. Yeah, he's behind me. He's just playing away, but I'm trying to record him and he keeps moving. Oh, there he goes. See, he ran right over there. He's going to go underneath something. I'll get him in a minute. As long as he don't go out that door. I might have to go get him because he's going to go underneath the computer desk. Let's see what he does. He's coming back. No, he went that way. Come here, baby. Kitty. Come on. Okay, hold on. He's going to get tangled up in the computer desk wires. Come on, baby. Okay. He's back. He's back and he's playing. Phew. When he's a little bit older, maybe in a week or two, hopefully by then, I'll keep recording videos to show you how big he gets. But in a couple weeks, we gotta take him to the vet. He keeps running behind me because all of his stuff's there, and I think he knows it's his. Come here, Goofy. He's got a toy and he's carrying it. That's what he's doing. I didn't know he had that. Y'all need to check out my other videos of him and the other animals we used to have. We had to get rid of all the other animals because they didn't allow them here, but they will allow the kitten. we had rabbits, guinea pigs, and rats, and we had to get rid of all of them. That was sad, but we can keep Sunny. But you can check out their videos. He's trying to run off with a toy. Get him. Get the boy. I want to try to, like, record him growing up, so there'll be plenty more videos of him. But, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. Comment down below what else you would like to see.